Symptoms that correlate with concussion and associated post-concussive headaches, individuals often have significant light sensitivity. Even just being in a normally lit room that under normal circumstances you wouldn't even notice the lighting, but the lighting at that particular time seems excessively bright. Sunglasses often help to remedy that somewhat. The same can go with sound sensitivity. After concussion, you'll often notice sounds that, generally speaking, you wouldn't have even noticed previously. Car horns, even just softly playing music. Those are the types of things that often will sound excessively loud, uncharacteristically loud. Another symptom you might notice is a feeling of being nauseous, that stomach queasiness. You might feel just a little off in that respect, like you might be on the verge of getting sick. All of those symptoms are very common, both with headache, migraine headaches, as well as after concussion.